Hello there, YouTube. It is your good old pal, Nathan, man, back with ya. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how to make a closet shelf. Alrighty, guys, here we go. How to make a closet shelf. So first thing I do, I cut these little strip things. They're like 1 inch by 1 inch. Then measure up how high I want them, screw them into the wall in my closet. They're more or less going to work as the supports for these shelves that I'm making. So first thing I do is I want to pre-drill in the corner because I know the corner is going to have a stud in it. And you can see I had a little bit of trouble finding this one. I knew it was close. Yeah, threw a level up. And then on the other side, couldn't see it because the wall is fairly original. Came with the house, so did a bit of a guessing game. I think I did alright though. Yeah, that's one thing, you know, that there's gonna be a stud in the corner. So I did that. I did lots of screws. Sorry guys, really tired. Oh. Really tired, it's been busy. And don't forget to pre-drill before, just to help prevent all this from splitting, right? And drive a good strong 2.5, 3 inch screw, something like that in. So yeah, I just play around with it, try to make this as perfect as I can because there's no going back. This is the most important stage if you had to ask me. Yeah, once you've got it all done, you're gonna get this. I got this big piece of pine here, cut it down the sides, full length, 8 inches long. Yeah, sand the crap out of it. Sand it, sand it. I think in the end, I think I ended up with 220 grit sandpaper on this. Try to get that really nice smooth finish, and you guys can see I cut a piece for in front of it, put a little bit of a routed edge on, just add a little bit of class, put a bit of stain on it and some gloss. I didn't take a clip, I can't believe it, I didn't take a clip of me actually nailing these boards. I do the top and bottom just to give it that nice sealed floating shelf look. Oh, that's looking nice, eh, that paint. So you guys can see I've got this amount done already. Add a little wood glue, and I'm just using some nails. So yeah, anybody can do this, guys. And you don't need to use a router. You can always just use a table saw and make an angle like that. Put my nails there. Right? So you guys can see I'm here just taking my time with it. Drive a couple nails in just to hold it in place, and then I'll adjust it better. I wish I could make some better angles. It's hard in a tight little place like this. But you guys get the idea. I'm gonna have pictures at the very end of the video so you guys can see it all done up. I made 2 of them in the end actually. Yeah, I was really happy with how they turned out. What's nice too is they're sturdy and strong. Oh, look at that, eh? Oh. Well there guys, if you have enjoyed this video and learned something new, maybe giving you an idea about what you might do with your closet, then please leave a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, please subscribe for more guys and hit that bell. I hope you all have an awesome day wherever you are in the world, and we'll see you guys all next Wednesday.